Hey guys, it's Insane BMX here, and I'm going to be doing a bike check. I have a GT Fly 2012. It's not the best bike, but I'm just a beginner, so. Got the normal GT Fly grips. They're really rough though. I hate them. I'm getting a new ODI long necks. Got the Tektro brakes, GT handlebars. They're decent handlebars. Got the GT fork, just the normal GT frame, GT Fly frame. The rims are G303X rims with these spokes. That's the hub. I'll do a hub sound after. The pedals are pretty good. I hate these stupid things, but I got these. They have really nice, they actually have surprisingly good grip for just like a complete bike. And that's the sprocket there. Crank. I actually haven't counted the teeth yet. That's the chain. The cranks. I just got this bike from Sports Check, but GT's still a pro bike company, and yeah, so I like it. It's a pretty good beginner bike, I think. I'm going to be upgrading the parts, doing unboxing and stuff. Like, that's a ramp I made, and behind it I have like a miniature phone box that I made. So here, one sec, I'll show you the hub soon. So that's the hub sound, basically. I'll do it again if you didn't hear. And yeah, so thanks, rate, subscribe. My bike's falling down. Rate, subscribe, please don't hate. I'm just starting out as a biker, so yeah.